We recently did a review of Little Caesars gluten-free pizza, so we thought it'd be fun to bring you some of our favorite gluten-free sweet snacks because there's so many out there, or maybe so many options that you're not aware of. Here's some of our favorite snacks you won't want to pass up. We're moving fast today, so get ready. The links are in the description below. Number one of our favorites is the Honey Stinger Waffle. They have 3 flavors that are gluten-free, so be careful if you're purchasing it. The flavors are salted caramel, cinnamon, and cookies and cream. The favorite one by far is cookies and cream. I missed the old Pop-Tarts as a kid, so this reminds me of the closest thing to that texture. Highly recommend these. Next, if you're a fan of donuts or you miss those like I do, Katz does a great job of making a really good gluten-free donut. They have 3 flavors that are our favorites: cinnamon and sugar, glazed donut, and then the glazed chocolate donut holes are highly recommended. Katz does a wonderful job with all their gluten-free products, and I highly recommend any of them, so check those out. The last product comes from Char. I really miss Little Debbie's zebra cakes. The texture is something I can't seem to find, and Char has made those with this product here, the snack cakes, which is the closest thing I have found to those zebra cakes. It's really good. I pop them in the fridge sometime. Char also has a really good line of all gluten-free products, so check those out as well. As mentioned, all the products are linked in the description below to Amazon. Let us know if you've tried any of these before and what you think. Or if you're looking for other gluten-free recommendations, happy to provide those. I've been gluten-free for quite a long time. I'm happy to provide my insights on some gluten-free options. Subscribe for more content like this, and we'll catch you in the next video. Also, any purchases made through the links below helps this channel out. Won't come as any extra cost for you, but it'll help this channel out. Thank you.